My name is Patrick Taylor Jr. I'm a running back for the San Francisco 49ers. The ThermaSol product that I have is the KUUMA Outdoor Barrel Sauna. I typically like to use my sauna pre-workout and post-workout just because it allows me to ramp up getting ready for a workout and also to wind down after a workout. I really like my KUUMA Outdoor Barrel Sauna. It's spacious, it's able to accompany all my family and friends. Health and wellness is extremely important to my daily routine just because my body is my moneymaker. If I'm not taking care of my body like I should, then it's not going to do or produce how I need it to. I chose to partner with ThermaSol not only just because of their product, but also because the people that they are and the way they take care of their customers. ThermaSol sauna has helped me in a number of ways. Relieve stress, detoxify my body, and also makes my muscles feel extremely well when I'm able to go in there and stretch out. ThermaSol is the original wellness company.